People think the golden band was made to punish Wukong, but watch closely. If it were punishment, why does it glow like warm morning light instead of fire? Why does Wukong sit straighter, calmer, every time it touches him? Ancient monks knew its real purpose, to bring a wandering mind home. Modern science agrees. Harvard calls this attentional anchoring, a tiny shift that pulls a chaotic brain back into the present. Your mind isn't messy because you're weak. It's messy because you're human. Harvard and UVA found we drift off 47% of the day, even while eating, even while talking, even while kissing, even while watching cat videos, apparently. Yes, even then. Yale discovered that when the default mode network spins unchecked, it creates its own storms, old regrets, future fears, and imaginary disasters that never happened. Wukong simply calls this throwing peaches at clouds for no reason at all. The golden band was never made to hurt him. It was made to interrupt his spirals. Just a tiny tightening, a warm whisper. Come back. Stanford's research on rumination shows interrupt a spiraling thought within seconds, the anxiety loses 70% of its momentum. You're not commanding the monkey, you're nudging him, like tapping a friend who just walked into the wrong restroom. When thoughts spin, two networks wake up. The default mode network creates the stories. The salience network screams, important. UCLA studies show even a soft attentional shift lowers activity in both networks. Think of it like turning down the volume in a room where someone is shouting about taxes, weather, and why the cat stared at you weird this morning. The golden band is that volume knob. Now we use it in 3 simple steps. Step 1. The gentle tug. Whenever a thought grabs you like an overexcited squirrel, just whisper, back. Not stop, not calm down, simply back. APA research shows suppressing thoughts makes them come back stronger, but a gentle cue reduces mental load instantly. You're not fighting the monkey, you're calling him home for dinner. Step 2. The golden breath. Imagine the band loosens as you exhale, settles softly as you inhale. Harvard's Benson Henry Institute found slow breathing calms the amygdala within minutes. You breathe, the monkey relaxes, the band does the rest. Step 3. One branch attention. Give your monkey just one branch to hold. Your breath, a sound, your heartbeat, a warm spot in your chest, or a tiny light in front of you. Oxford studies show that single-point focus reduces DMN activity by 20 to 40%. A monkey with one branch is a peaceful monkey. Let's practice together. Let a thought come. Don't fear it. Don't chase it. Just notice the gentle tug. Back. Now breathe, loosening, settling. Choose one branch and rest there. If the monkey jumps again, don't scold him. He's not disobeying you. He's doing his job. Just tug, breathe, return. One more time. Tug, breathe, return. When you're ready, let awareness fall back into the body, soft, warm, here. A small story for anyone who feels they failed. Even Wukong didn't calm down on the first try. He smashed mountains, raged at the sky, cried, and fought the band for years. Until one day he noticed, the tighter he resisted, the tighter it became. The more he relaxed, the softer it felt. If your monkey is still jumping tonight, don't blame yourself. That means you're finally seeing him, and that is already your first victory. Tonight's mini practice. Before sleep, give your monkey just 3 gentle tugs. 3 breaths. That's all. A tiny gift from you to you. Thank you for practicing the golden band today. In the comments, share one word that describes how you feel right now. Calm, lighter, warm, quiet, or something completely your own. Your word might become someone else's golden reminder tonight. If you want to keep training together, subscribe to Wukong Mind. Until tomorrow, may every wandering thought find its way back home. Namo Buddhaya.